In an event that has stunned experts, startled engineers, and captivated the imaginations of millions around the world, China has unveiled something that seems straight out of a science fiction novel: a flying monosphere. Yes, you heard that right. A fully autonomous, levitating sphere with no visible wings, propellers, or jet engines. This technological enigma has taken flight, and with it, has sent shockwaves rippling across the global aerospace community. For decades, nations have competed in the race to dominate the skies, but no one expected this leap to come from a floating sphere that challenges everything we thought we knew about the principles of flight. Witnesses first saw the monosphere at a tightly controlled demonstration near a Chinese aerospace facility, where officials allowed limited international observers and press to attend. What they saw defied belief. A perfectly round metallic orb, roughly the size of a small car, silently lifting into the air, moving with grace, balance, and precision. There were no wings to generate lift, no visible thrusters to propel it, and no sounds of combustion or rotor blades cutting the air. Just a gentle hum, a slow rise, and then agile, controlled movements in every direction. Engineers watching remotely from the United States were reportedly left speechless. Some assumed it was CGI until confronted with raw telemetry and physical evidence. So, what exactly is this monosphere? From the outside, it resembles a polished orb, smooth, symmetrical, and unmarked. It appears to rely on some form of internal propulsion system, completely hidden from view. Speculation is rampant among analysts and observers. Some propose that it's powered by a revolutionary magnetohydrodynamic drive, using ionized plasma and magnetic fields to generate lift and movement without moving parts. Others believe superconducting gyroscopes might be involved, stabilizing and levitating the craft via quantum effects we've only begun to explore in laboratory environments. Whatever the mechanism, one fact is unavoidable: this craft is unlike anything currently known in civilian or military aviation. In the United States, top aerospace firms like Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and DARPA have reportedly launched rapid analysis programs to study the implications of this technology. Multiple defense think tanks have warned that if the monosphere is scalable, it could alter the balance of power in both reconnaissance and rapid response military operations. A flying vehicle that leaves no infrared trail, operates silently, and can maneuver in three-dimensional space without traditional flight surfaces? That's a surveillance and deployment platform that could go undetected in virtually any environment. And the secrecy behind it is just as fascinating. Chinese officials have offered no detailed statements, no technical breakdowns, no patents filed publicly. All that exists are glimpses, controlled media, sanitized footage, and silent demonstrations. This deliberate ambiguity has only fueled global curiosity and concern. Could this be a signal of China's ambitions to leapfrog traditional aerospace development? Or is it a tightly guarded state project meant solely for defense and strategic posturing? Meanwhile, the online world has erupted with theories. Some claim the monosphere's propulsion system is based on alien technology, reverse-engineered from long-lost artifacts hidden away in secret Chinese labs. Others suggest it could be an extension of earlier anti-gravity research dating back to Soviet-era projects. And while these theories may sound far-fetched, the lack of transparency from Chinese sources leaves room for imagination. After all, how else do you explain a flying orb that seems to defy gravity without a single moving part? But what does this mean for the future? Could the monosphere revolutionize civilian transport, allowing people to commute silently and cleanly through urban airspaces? Could it change the logistics industry forever by delivering goods in ways that bypass traditional infrastructure? Or is this simply a show of strength, an aerial ace meant to send a message to other global superpowers? We may not know for some time. What we do know is this: the debut of China's flying monosphere has shattered assumptions, redefined possibilities, and launched us into a new era of aviation, one where shape, sound, and even physics are no longer constraints. As engineers and scientists scramble to understand how it works and what it means, one thing is certain: this is just the beginning. The age of the monosphere is here, and the world is watching.